guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, obviously, we have Snow here, and we're going to be doing a get unready with us, like testing out new skincare. I know you're excited.
Yeah.
He's so excited. So we haven't used any of these products. We have a ton of stuff like laid out in front of us, and we're just going to be testing out different stuff. So anyways, you know the drill. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave,
you do not forget to subscribe down below.
That way you're notified for future videos. We post 3 times a week, so Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then make sure you do click that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But we're excited to jump into this. This is a very different video. And we honestly probably don't know what we're doing, so let's get started.
We are repping the Derma.
Okay, so we're both going to start with 2 Dermalogica products. So I have the Precleanse Balm, and then what do you have?
I have the Precleanse and the Precleanse Balm.
That's actually mine.
Oh, sorry.
So he doesn't have any makeup to take off, obviously, but I do. So we're going to try out this balm and see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to take this first. You need to take yours. No, you need to take yours.
I can do it at the same time?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this squirted out like really crazy. Okay, so I'm just going to start wiping this all over my face. Okay, so I am just... What are you doing?
What do I do?
No, you want to use... You want to try that?
I got to add a little bit of water to my mixture.
Oh my gosh, you're so funny. It's a pre-cleanse. The cleanse before the cleanse. This is like the real truth right here. How's it feel?
I mean, it smells great. It smells almost like it's got some lime, almost eucalyptus, something.
Well, obviously, this has gotten off all of my makeup.
It's almost got like a oily feel, like kind of greasy.
It is oil.
Okay.
Okay, so basically what we're going to do, we just have a towel because obviously we're not up front, so I'm just going to wet my towel just a little bit. I'll let you use this.
You can wipe mine off?
Yep. And while he does that, I'm going to try out these. While he does that, I'm going to try out these It Cosmetics Bye Bye Makeup Wipes.
Look, I used to have acne, and they tell you never to with your face. They always say you to pat it, you know what I mean?
Okay, whatever you say. So these are just like makeup removing wipes, and I'm just doing this just to take off the excess makeup. That way I'm not using a towel with everything.
Yeah, it did say use dry hands. Should have read. It makes your face feel really good though.
That's why it's a first impression makeup tutorial.
You're not supposed to know what you're doing, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I totally forgot. Where's that little box? There it is. This little cleanse came with this little thing. I forgot I was supposed to use this. Oh yeah, that does feel like it would be pretty good. Does it look like my makeup's off pretty good?
Yeah, except for your eyelashes. You still got that teal in there.
Like under my, in this?
Yeah.
That's because I hadn't cleaned that part. Tell them what we're going in with next.
We are going in with the Dermalogica Clear Foaming Wash.
So this is supposed to be a breakout clearing treatment. And honestly, I mean, with the summertime being around, we're doing a lot of sunscreen on our face. And sometimes that causes breakout. So we're going to try this out. This is a new product, I believe. And it says you can use it AM and PM. This breakout fighting foaming wash clears away dead skin cells, dirt, and excess oils that clog pores and cause breakouts. Ooh.
I'm with it. This is for me, right?
Well, me too. I'm going to try it. I wonder how much we put on it. Okay, morning and night, lather a small amount on damp hands and then rub over the face, neck, chest, anywhere you want. Okay.
For this demonstration, we're going to do the face. We'll leave the chest and neck out of this demonstration. Do it one time. Do it one time for me.
That's normally how I sound.
That's how she sounds in the shower. She'll be in there going...
Okay, just do a little bit. Just do a little bit because you don't know how this is going to...
How do you get... Oh, there it comes.
Ooh. Okay, calm down. I feel like you're splashing it everywhere. I feel like I need a little bit more, or I didn't put enough water on my face.
So. I mean, these products smell really great.
Smile. Did you already wipe it off your face?
No, should I get some more?
No, you just... Okay. I don't know.
Go ahead, you go first. Calm down with the splashing now.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. Calm down. I think this is a bad idea.
I know we're going to ruin a microphone. Thank God we set the computer over there.
Okay, so... I don't know where the camera cut off, but we basically finished washing our faces. My face feels really soft. How does yours feel?
Oh, it does feel really soft. It feels very clean. I used to have a lot of acne growing up, so I would know. Like, it feels great, though.
Yeah, this product says that it has salicylic acid in it that dives deep into pores, clearing dead skin cells and trapped oils. It has 8 botanicals in it. And then it also has orange peel extract that revives, energizes, and refreshes. I could definitely tell that. I feel like my skin feels pretty good. How's yours
The
feel?
tea tree is what I was smelling. I've seen that.
All right, next we're going to do some mask. Do you want to do the pink mask or do you want to do a clay mask?
Which one do you think?
I'm doing the pink mask.
Okay, I guess I'm doing the clay mask.
You can do the pink one with me. You don't want to do it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Kate Summerville Wrinkle Warrior Pink Plumping Mask. I actually got this through Octoly. What are you using?
I am using the Skin Rescue Purifying Mask with Red Clay.
And who?
From First Aid Beauty.
Okay.
Fab.
Fab. Okay, this says apply an even layer to skin. Moist skin, avoid the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes.
Avoid that eye area.
Oh my gosh, this has like glitter in it.
Yeah, I'm glad I missed that one.
I know you would want to put glitter on. Ooh.
This one says, this deeply renewing mask with red clay draws out toxin to help purge the skin of impurities and excess oils.
You're going to be purged up today.
Apply an even thin layer to clean dry skin, avoiding the hairline, lip, and area. Okay.
This is so weird.
I mean,
it's like very jelly. Maybe if this goes good, we can do our actual skincare routine. I don't think you're ready for this jelly.
Like, I'm trying to look at the monitor here to see if I'm getting it.
It's like red.
Oh, it's red. All right.
I've never saw anything. Oh, well, obviously it's called red clay, ain't it?
Yeah.
What? Does mine look weird?
Looks pink.
Oh my gosh, I still have stuff underneath my dang eye. You didn't tell me all that. I can't see nothing.
I think I'm, like, if I could just, like, not look at the camera and just focus on, like, what I'm actually doing. I keep looking at it.
You want me to give you a mirror?
No. I'm fine. If I could just visualize what I'm doing instead of, like, looking in this mirror because it's, like, making me dyslexic over here. I'm doing the wrong side of my face when it's actually the other, you know what I mean?
Here you go, princess.
No, I'm good now.
You don't want none. Beautiful.
It's that
Mirror,
thin
mirror
layer.
on the wall. Who's the prettiest girl of all?
Red clay.
Okay, we need to start a timer. How many did it say for you?
Leave mask on until thoroughly dry to the touch, about 20 minutes. Put it on your
We're
face.
starting a timer.
We're rolling, dude. We're rolling.
So I don't know if you guys can see, but mine is like definitely very, very pink. Okay, you can sit up a little bit so they can see yours.
Yeah, mine's very, very red.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take mine off. Snow has just a couple more minutes left of his. We'll see how the skin feels. We just have like a towel. Again, since we aren't doing this like in our bathroom. What are you doing? You're just like looking at me. I was just kind of
curious at like how you're doing it with a towel instead of like with the water to the hand and the face.
You don't do that with a mask. You just want to like wipe it off with water.
I'm not a mask pro.
Yes, you are. He lies.
I know this thing is really stiff. Like it's like
you're really supposed to sleep overnight in it.
Overnight? I mean, I can barely like. Move.
Oh.
How do I do this, princess?
Okay. Well, how does it say that you remove it? Start with an outer edge. Gently peel off.
There's no way I can peel this off. I didn't put enough on there, obviously.
How do you...
I didn't put enough on.
Oh my gosh, this is what first... Oh, I got it.
Oh, she did good.
Like a Band-Aid. Just rip it off.
Go easy.
Here, you do it.
You
gotta do it too.
It's kind of cool.
Do you feel like Mrs. Doubtfire or something?
Yeah.
You did put enough on, see?
Well, that's why I realize now why they say don't get it in the hairline.
Oh, because you're going to rip it out?
Yeah. I think I could have went a little heavier.
So heavy. Stop being mean. You don't think if I take a big old piece of this and just yank it?
Pull it. I can't get it. I'm going to have to... I'm drooling. I'm going to have to go with plan B.
What's plan B?
The towel like you.
Okay, go
because
ahead.
I got
see if you can do it with a towel. Oh, what, here?
Because see, like, I didn't put a thick enough layer on. And, like, I got hairs, like...
Okay, do it with the towel. This is why this is first impressions.
Yeah.
Because we don't know what we're doing. I didn't even see how my face felt. Oh, it feels like I missed. No, I think that's just wetness. This one says that it's supposed to be like... it's supposed to, like, get wrinkles away, like, the first time you do it. I mean, do I look less wrinkly?
You got the D wrinkle? Yeah, I mean, no lie, though. I mean, it does feel good once you get it all off.
Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Have I had this thing upside down the whole time?
It ain't upside down.
Oh, okay.
Why would you think it's upside down?
I don't know, just kind of...
You think it's backwards because you're looking in the mirror.
My skin feels really good, though.
Oh, no, mine does, too. Mine feels like kind of slimy still, though, a little bit. Okay, so next we're going to do a toner. You see anything with toner on it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is the Radiance toner by Derma. Didn't mean to, like, put it up in your face.
That's fine. I'm just
okay,
kind of hanging out in the back right now.
Oh, no. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, next we're going to be using the First Aid Beauty Acne Clearing Pads. White pad across all zones of face.
See, I got a little hair. That's going to be a small problem.
What?
Just because it's going to, like, as soon as it hits the hair, it's going to be like...
What do you mean? Yeah, it's just a pad.
It's just a pad. Well, growing up with acne, I've...
Why is it not focusing on me?
It's because it's looking at me. You feel the burn.
Oh, these smell weird.
I like it all because it smells like essential oils.
I think this smells like the essential oil I don't like. That Lang Lang.
I got the hairs all in my face. No, it don't smell like Lang Lang. I'm trying to figure out which one it does smell like.
It burns.
Well, that's what the things are supposed to do.
Oh, it burns. Look at that.
Any acne pad I ever
right
used
here is
up,
where I've been getting acne. Right here.
They all burn.
I mean,
if they're
the
working,
camera's
they're
just
burnt.
all about you. If they're working, they're... Oh, you do have...
I told you it's going to get caught on that stuff. I know this. I've been doing this a lot of my life.
Oh, your whole life.
Most of it.
Okay.
I'm telling you. There's not a drop of oil on me.
Alright, then we're going to use this serum. Okay, just hold it by your face. What are you doing? No, just like... Okay, I'm using the milk serum. This is the watermelon one. What are you using?
I'm using the Origins plantscription
Alright,
anti-aging power serum.
Let's try it out.
Did you read what you're supposed to do?
No.
Oh, there's no...
It's yours. I ain't using yours. So.
Well, there's no, like, directions.
I know. I hope her face looks okay tomorrow. Don't get in your eyes.
Oh, it definitely smells like some plants.
Ooh. This feels good. How does yours feel?
It feels great. It feels like I'm rubbing like a dill weed all over my face.
What is that?
Like some kind of aloe vera. I mean, it's very, very earthy.
This is very sticky. Is yours sticky?
No. No stick here.
Probably because mine is a stick.
God, it smells good though.
All
How
right.
many of these steps we gotta do?
I think we're going to be on the last one. We're next going to use... What are you doing? We're going to use the Sound Sleep Cocoon by Dermalogica. I've actually used this before. You haven't. So here, you use it. And I'm going to use something I haven't used. I'm going to use...
Oh, it's to help you slow. I'm going to like this.
This is a coconut water cream by First Aid Beauty. Oh, that one smells really good.
It's got all the good...
It has essential oils in it.
Yeah, it's got sandalwood, patchouli, French lavender.
I'm using this. Oh, 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 this is thick. How's yours feel?
Feels amazing. Feels like I just rubbed coconut oil all over my face.
Alright, now we need some eye cream.
I mean, you ladies really take it to the next level. We've put like 5 things on my face.
Doesn't it feel good?
I mean, it feels
That's
pretty
what
cool.
I've been doing.
Are we doing like a homemade facial? Is that what this is?
No. This is just regular. Okay. Huh?
You do this every night?
Not the mask part. Okay, then we're going to go in with the Drunk Elephant. Why are you looking at it like that? This is the C Tango eye cream. I've used this. You haven't used this yet.
C Tango? No, but I've definitely heard about it in some videos before.
Okay. I didn't have a new eye cream, and this is like my favorite eye cream. What do you feel?
Anything Drunk Elephant is your favorite.
I know.
What do I do
Truth!
with this? This go to my eyes?
You gotta do it on your ring finger. Remember?
Yeah, because the pressure, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, I'm dabbing. This is hard with the ring finger.
No, it's the best. Oh, and it feels silky smooth. Mm-hmm. It feel good.
Was I supposed to pat it? I remember the other Drunk Elephant I was supposed to pat.
Just like...
I have a habit of rubbing.
Alright, what do you think?
I think I'm ready to go out on town.
Okay, so that is it. Hopefully, those are all the steps, and hopefully our skin looks great in the morning, because honestly, I don't know if we put them in the right order, if we were supposed to mix some of the stuff that we mixed. That's what first impressions are about. So I hope that you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see more of this beautiful face. We love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!